Have you ever wondered how long a coastline is? It might seem like a straightforward question at first glance. It seems like a simple question. You might think you could just measure it like any other distance. However, measuring coastlines is surprisingly tricky. The challenge lies in the very nature of coastlines. Unlike straight lines, coastlines are jagged and complex. They are not smooth or uniform. They twist and turn, forming countless bays, inlets, and peninsulas. Each twist and turn adds to the length. This intricate nature makes it difficult to determine where a coastline begins and ends. The more detailed your measurement, the longer the coastline appears. Do we measure every nook and cranny, every small indentation and outcropping? What about the impact of tides? The coastline changes with the tides, expanding and contracting. The length can change dramatically depending on how these factors are considered. So, the next time you look at a map, remember that the true length of a coastline is a conundrum, influenced by the scale of measurement and the natural forces at play. Despite the challenges in measurement, one country consistently emerges as having the longest coastline: Canada. Estimates vary, but Canada's coastline is generally believed to exceed 200,000 kilometers. That's like walking around the Earth's equator 5 times. Canada's geographical location contributes to its impressive coastline. It borders 3 oceans: the Atlantic, the Pacific, and the Arctic. This vast expanse of oceanfront, combined with numerous islands, results in a coastline of exceptional length and diversity. Canada's coastline is not just long, it's incredibly diverse. Stretching over 202,080 kilometers, it is the longest coastline in the world, touching 3 different oceans: the Arctic, the Atlantic, and the Pacific. Each of these coasts offers a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural heritage. Along the Atlantic coast, you'll find rugged cliffs that have stood the test of time, picturesque fishing villages that have been the heart of maritime life for centuries, and historic harbors that tell tales of exploration and trade. The Atlantic coast is a place where history and nature intertwine seamlessly. The Pacific coast, on the other hand, boasts towering forests that stretch as far as the eye can see, fjords carved by ancient glaciers, and vibrant coastal cities that are hubs of culture and innovation. It's a region where the natural world meets modern life in a spectacular fashion. Then there's the Arctic coast, a realm of ice and wonder. Here, the frozen sea stretches out to the horizon and massive icebergs drift silently by. It's a place of stark contrasts and breathtaking beauty. The tundra is home to a unique array of wildlife, including the majestic polar bears who roam this icy wilderness. The Arctic coast is a testament to nature's resilience and adaptability. This northern frontier is remote and sparsely populated, offering a sense of isolation and tranquility that is hard to find elsewhere. It's a place where you can truly disconnect from the hustle and bustle of modern life. The stark beauty of the Arctic coast is unparalleled, with its serene wilderness and remote landscapes that captivate the soul. It's a place of quiet reflection and awe-inspiring vistas. From east to west, north to south, Canada's coastline offers a breathtaking tapestry of landscapes. Each region has its own unique charm and character, making Canada's coastline a true natural wonder. Whether you're exploring the rugged cliffs of the Atlantic, the towering forests of the Pacific, or the icy realms of the Arctic, there's always something new and awe-inspiring to discover. Section 4. Measuring the immeasurable. So, how do we even begin to measure something as intricate as a coastline? The task is far from straightforward. It's a bit like trying to measure the length of a crumpled piece of paper. Every fold and crease adds to the complexity. The more closely you look, the more details you see, and the longer it gets. Each tiny inlet and curve adds to the total length. Scientists use various techniques, including satellite imagery and fractal geometry, to estimate coastline lengths. These methods allow for a more detailed and accurate representation. However, these methods still involve assumptions and approximations. The tools and models we use can only get us so far. The true length of a coastline, in a sense, remains immeasurable. The natural world is full of complexities that challenge our understanding and measurement techniques. Over time, our methods have evolved from simple maps to sophisticated digital models, yet the challenge persists. Fractal geometry, for instance, has provided new insights into the seemingly infinite details of coastlines. Despite our advancements, the coastline's true length eludes precise measurement, reminding us of nature's boundless intricacy. Section 5. A coastline like no other. Canada's claim to the longest coastline is a testament to its vast size and geographical diversity. While the exact length may be debated, there's no denying the incredible scale and beauty of Canada's coastal regions. From the icy shores of the Arctic to the temperate rainforests of the Pacific, Canada's coastline is a national treasure and a marvel of the natural world.